Pick somebody out, because I can zoom in.
Right.
So pick somebody out and say something.
What the fuck are you doing? Carrying your bike helmet on your bike? Backpacking! Ah! Yeah, he's looking, dude. What are you doing? You put your bike helmet, idiot! Put your bike helmet! You carrying for your bike helmet! It's right here, bro.
No, don't do it. You yelled at me for doing it. That's the
When you ride a bike, I 6 straight.